What's up guys, welcome to another BullRush Academy video. In today's video, we're taking a look at the world of Forex trading. We'll cover what Forex is, why it's the largest financial market in the world, and some key points that every beginner should know. If you'd like to learn more, don't forget that we have our free website, BullRushAcademy.com, where we'll cover the ins and outs of trading in much greater detail. By the end of this video, you should have a solid understanding of Forex fundamentals, and in our next video, we'll take a deeper dive into how Forex actually works. So make sure you stay tuned for that. First things first, what is Forex? Well, Forex stands for foreign exchange market. You might also hear it called the FX market, spot Forex, and currency market. This is an around-the-clock financial market where different currencies are bought and sold. Governments, central banks, commercial banks, hedge funds, and other major global companies are big players in this market. Individuals can join as well, all aiming to profit from fluctuations in currency exchange rates. So what makes Forex so special compared to, say, the stock market or the commodities market? Well, here are a few key points. Forex allows 24-hour trading 5 days a week. Because the market spans in different time zones globally, it pretty much never stops from Sunday evening to Friday afternoon US time. However, most Forex brokers and providers now offer crypto CFDs, allowing people to trade 24/7. Forex also offers a huge profit opportunity in rising and falling markets. You can go long or short depending on whether you think a currency will strengthen or weaken. Forex is also the biggest financial market in the world. Daily trading volume often nears $6 trillion, dwarfing the stock market and the bonds market. With Forex, you can also do leverage trading. You can control large positions with relatively small deposits, though higher leverage also increases risk. And lastly, is difficult to manipulate. The sheer size and liquidity of this market make it nearly impossible for any single entity to control. With these features, it's no wonder traders find Forex appealing. However, if you jump in without preparation, like running in guns blazing, the market can quickly teach you a lesson. Always do your homework first. So what do you actually trade in Forex? Well, in the stock market, you trade shares of companies. In the commodities market, you trade resources like gold and oil. And in Forex, you trade currencies. Currency pairs like Euro USD, JBP JPY, AUD CAD show one currency's value relative to another. Before we continue, let's go over a couple interesting facts I found while researching this video. Back in 2007, the daily average turnover was reported to be over $3.2 trillion. By 2008, it had grown by another 41%, reaching $4.5 trillion daily, and a good portion of these trades come up from foreign exchange swaps used by institutions to manage currency holdings. Spot transactions make up the rest, involving everyone from large banks to individual traders. If Forex is so massive, why don't people talk about it as often as stocks? Well, until the mid-1990s, it was largely reserved for major financial institutions and the ultra-wealthy. Ordinary folks simply didn't have access. With the rise of the internet, more brokers began offering online platforms, finally allowing smaller traders to get involved. That's why Forex has only recently become more accessible, even though it's been around for over 50 years. You might know that the US stock market is located in New York City, and futures trading is really big in Chicago. But Forex? Well, Forex has no central location. Everything happens online. Forex trading is conducted electronically between participants worldwide, 24 hours a day. However, London is often considered its global hub since about 35% of all Forex trades pass through London, overshadowing the roughly 17% traded in New York. One of the best things about Forex is that Forex is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The cycle starts in Sydney at 5 p.m. Eastern on Sunday, then moves to Tokyo, Frankfurt, London, and New York before looping back to Sydney. Because of this cycle, there's almost always a market open somewhere, unlike stocks, which have more limited trading hours. Finally, let's talk about electronic communications networks, or ECNs. These are systems that connect buyers and sellers electronically without the need for central exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange. ECNs open the door for smaller traders and investors to participate in Forex from home. They were authorized in 1998, allowing virtually anyone with an internet connection to get involved in currency trading 24 hours a day. And that's a wrap on the basics of Forex. We learned what it is, why it's so massive, and how it differs from other financial markets. Remember, understanding the fundamentals is key before you start trading. If you want to learn more, make sure you head over to our free educational platform, BullRushAcademy.com, where we go over everything from market analysis to risk management. We'll be back in the next video to dive deeper into how Forex actually works. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.